everyone! Umay Gioni here, and today I'm gonna be catching up to some BGYO. Medyo na-busy lang ako this week, so hindi ko napanood yung mga new releases nila. So, in this video, I'm gonna be watching Gigil Dance Practice, the static version, tapos yung ASAP na performance nila. Alam ko may iba pa eh. Yung uuwian in a different video ko gagawin. There's more. Yung VNL, hindi ko rin napanood yon. So, I'll be watching that. But for this one, it's just the dance practice and the ASAP one. So, I'm gonna be starting with Gigil Dance Practice in 3. Wait lang. Medyo na-spoil na ako. Parang may Jel Kira moment dito. So, we'll see. 3, 2, 1, go! Sakto pala, naka-orange ako. Orange! Gigil. Cute na cute talaga ako kay JL dito sa Gigil. Iba yung outfit nila dito, no? Gusto ko si JL pag naka-gray. Ba't naka-innate yung buntot? So, teka lang, distract ako eh. Oh, hi. Dito. Ayun na, naka-innate yung buntot. JL! I think si JL yung bias ko for this promotion. Whoa! Tigan. Sa yung mga tinginan Gigil. Aking gigil. Oh, Mickey! Ayan na, magre-ready na siya mang-rek. Let's go. Nakakainis si Mickey. Bias wrecker ko talaga yan. Oh, God. Yung buhok ni Jello. Pag dance practice daw, dapat parang panoorin ilang beses eh. Galing talaga, nakakainis. Kaya lapitan oh, galing-galing ni Nate ko mo. Cute. Gigil. Kung na mapigil. Oh, si JL! Tigil. I think it was this one. Na-concern sa book ni Akira. Sandali lang. Ay! Sandali! Yun ba yun? Tumingin. Pogi ni JL, oh! Sa sarili! Yoksi, Jello. Kasi gusto ko talaga yan. Ang kit-kit na Mickey din. Ako sa'yo mga tinginan. Gigil. Si Boy Dila, oh. Kuha mo ang aking gigil. Ang bitin naman! Parang dapat to, papanoorin mo ng yung sinusundan lang sila. Parang, per member. Kasi, wala lang. Nakaka-distract kasi parang, pag may pumunta sa gitna, oh my God, yan. Tapos may kita mo sa gilid, may something. Tapos, lalo kapag nagre-react na ganito na isang pasada lang nanood, parang, medyo nakaka-distract. I mean, the boys have always been really good. Pero, like, si JL, we know, hindi naman talaga siya dancer from the beginning. He's improved so much, same as Aki. But, like, grabe talaga siya dito sa Gigil. Like, main dancer, vibes sa si JL. Talagang, oh my gosh, he's so good. Teka, panoorin natin ang ASAP. Napanood ko ba? Hindi ko napanood to. Bakit hindi ko napanood to? O sinadya ko talaga hindi panoorin. Kasi yung Showtime, pinanood ko yun. Kasi, wala lang. Free ako nun. Anyway, yung ASAP naman. 3, 2, 1, go! Map. Kuwang-kuha mo ang aking gigil. Mga salita. Oh, hi. Usapan pa. Ang ba talaga nila na naka-handheld mic sila? Kasi ang hirap sumayaw eh. Parang feeling ko kung ako may babato ko yung mic. Parang sumasayaw ka, diba? Pero syempre, live. Ay, di nakaka-crop top si Aki. Kasi mga tinginan eh, gigil. At saka parang ang hirap kantahin ng live talaga nitong gigil. Nakakainis. Kasi kahit naka-stay ka lang, ang hirap niya nang kantahin. Natingin. Miki? The end. Magdilim. Oh. Oh, grabe, grabe. Gusto ko yung pag binabago ni Mickey na ganito. It's easier for him to sing. But like, it gives him personality. Like, you know it's Mickey singing? Oh. Eh. Anong lapitan? Eh. Kasi yung mga tinginan, eh, gigil. Kuwang-kuwa mo. Si Sheena yun. Cute. Oh, ang cute naman. Like, there's so many people that, but putol! Wala yung nanggigigil. Seriously? Galit. Ayun, the boys did really well. I mean, like, never naman naging doubt yung live pag nagpa-perform ng live yung boys. Kasi talagang rinig mo na kumakanta sila despite na ang hirap ng choreography nila. And they've always had like really hard choreo. Even Patintero na it was much easier to do like a dance challenge for. Ang hirap din noon. Parang, syempre, iba-iba din yung yung choreo niya every chorus, nagpapalit din yung choreo. So, ang hirap din nun. And especially Gigil, I feel like yung choreo nito more dancer focused. Like, I mean, even if you see like yung mga Gigil Dance Challenge sa TikTok, a lot of like actual dancers do the dance challenge. I think it's very attractive to them na, uy, ang angas ng choreography. Parang, basta ang cool niya kasi, talaga, pero mahirap siya. So, props to BGYO. They always sing live. So, I mean, wala naman silang kailangan patunayan. Talagang magaling sa kabanta. Like, even Nate na before talaga, di ba, na hindi naman talaga siya kumakanta. Like, at least from what I've seen sa ano yun? One Dream na documentary nung nag-audition sila and stuff. And Nate was, like, he's always been a dancer, but he was not a very good singer noon na kwento niya pa nga na parang nag-try siya tapos hindi naman parang pangit pa rin, parang gano'n. But he's like improved so much. I mean, kahit tong kundiman pa lang, boses na ninit yung talagang na-appreciate ko na ang ganda ng tunog. Tapos ngayon nasayaw pa siya tapos kumakanta pa din, 'di ba? Parang ang hirap gawin. Tapos naka-handheld mic talaga sila. Usually pag ganyan na matindi yung sayaw, 'di ba, dapat nakalapel na. Kasi nga, ang daming, like, hand movements and all that. Pero, BGYO, like, always, handheld mics ang gamit nila. Maya, yung sa dance practice, I think I will have to, like, keep watching it or, like, watch, like, edits of, per member. Kasi talaga nakaka-distract pag isa lang. But it's good. I like na yung static version yung ni-release nila. Kasi if you want to, like, learn the choreo, this would be the thing to watch. Kasi naka-stay siya na ganon. Like, ang hirap lang talaga kasi sobrang nadidistract ako. Parang, hindi ako makapag-comment masyado. Masyado ako nadidistract. Pero may Jalkira moment nga doon, which is great! Naka-orange ako! Anyway. But that's all from me today. Let me know what you thought of the dance practice and their ASAP performance in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!